Hello and welcome to Waltz Basic Plus lessons. Here we explore basic figures which you can find in technique books and also interesting basic choreographies. And today we will look at Whisk, turn to left, and also hover Corte. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. And we start with Whisk, which is a very basic figure, but we will change it and turn to left, which is allowed in technique books. So, man will start with left foot, facing diagonally to center, forward to side and cross behind in Whisk position. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us first of all basic whisk without turn for man. In this case alignment is for man facing diagonally to wall, and we finish in whisk position ready to move diagonally to center. Let's look again. Basic whisk. 1, 2, 3. Very good. And now we will add turn. Because of turn we will change also alignment. Man will start facing diagonally to center and turn to left and finish in whisk position. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at another figure, which is hesitation change. It consists of first 3 steps of natural turn, followed by hesitation change itself. Very good. Let's do it again. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Notice that in second part or second bar we do not have rise. We stay on same level. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we will change first 3 steps from natural turn to open natural turn from promenade position. So we will start in promenade position and dance open natural turn followed by hesitation. Notice that first step of hesitation is outside. Let's look again, this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. So we start from promenade position, open natural turn and then hesitation change, and we finish in nice line. Now let's put together what we have until now. So we will start from promenade position, dance open natural turn, then hesitation, continue with whisk, turn to left. Very good. Let's look again from opposite angle. and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After whisk, we will continue with hover Corte, which is very elegant figure. So we start from whisk position, then lady uses brush, and we finish with outside change to promenade position. Very good, let's do it again. So we start from whisk position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And from promenade position we will continue with very interesting figure running cross chasse. 1 and 2, 3. Notice how dancers use brush on count and. Let's do it again. And 1 and 2, 3. Very good. And now let's put together today's routine. We will start from promenade position and dance open natural turn, then hesitation, then whisk, turn to left, followed by hover Corte, then outside change to promenade position and running cross chasse. Very good, let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And now to music. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.